Hi guys, what's up? I'm going to teach you how to build a rocket.
Nice. Cool. Excellent. You're putting the pieces together, Peter?
It's just gluing things together, sanding it down.
What's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. We're going to launch another rocket to Hemlock Park.
Okay.
Let's see if it goes 200 feet high. It's
Like it says.
Like it says, not like the other one, the baking soda. The baking soda ripoff. Never go to library and get out. If they say to get a rocket when you're in 3rd grade, don't get it. It's a ripoff.
Okay. Let's go.
All right, Lucas,
Let's go.
Okay guys, we're heading to Hemlock Park with my rocket right here. And it's probably gonna go high. I know it. Will you think it'll go high? Comment down below if you think you go high. I think it will. Okay, we're here. Right. We'll be launching it over there. In that big grass area. Right there. I'm gonna wait until my brother comes. Peace out. Bye. Okay, it's been 5 minutes of my brother annoying me. He's annoying me. Don't listen to him. Get out of the phone. No. You put me on the ground. You're a savage. Okay, bye. Bye, Peter. Hi guys, what's up? We're back here at Hemlock Park, and we're gonna launch a rocket. Let's see if it goes 200 feet, just like Lucas said in the car, and I already heard him.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's go. We need your bag.
Yep.
These goes high, just to tell you. It's not a ripoff if you buy these.
Do you think it'll go
Super
high?
exciting.
Comment down
Yes.
below if it'll go high.
1 like equals 1 life for this rocket.
1 like equals 1
Lucas.
life.
You gotta admit,
do you
mine
think
is
will go-
cooler than Lucas's rocket.
Who do you think will go higher? Peter's or mine?
I
The
think
smaller rocket or the bigger rocket?
I think smaller
Comment
rocket.
down below.
Comment
Oh,
down
yeah, good
below.
point.
Comment down below.
Okay, guys, safety moment. When you're launching the rocket, you have to be as far
16
away, 16 feet, as far away as you can be.
So like all the way over there to the baseball
And
field?
only an adult should set this up.
Yeah.
This is our first time trying it, though. I'm pretty sure something's gonna go wrong, because it always does.
Guys, check out our first video. It's good.
And an epic fail.
And an epic fail, but I said a really funny part. So you got to stay tuned to that one.
All right. Peter, did you put any pee in this?
I know.
No, good.
This time, no pee.
All right.
It's a rocket.
All right, guys, brace yourselves.
Okay, are we ready to try it?
Yeah.
Alright guys.
Okay, who thinks it's gonna work?
Me. Me.
Mom,
Come
what do you
down
think?
Everybody
Think
thinks
it'll
it's
work.
gonna work,
Everyone
yeah.
thinks it's gonna work?
Me.
All right, let's try it. Put the safety key in.
Okay, guys.
Ready?
2, 1.
Holy moly!
Whoa.
Uh-oh, no parachute.
Guys, that worked. That was so good. Guys, that wasn't like the soda bottle. That was like 200 feet. That was so high.
Something's wrong.
The
Guys, that was like a
parachute
bullet.
didn't come out. Look.
Good
Oh
thing that
no,
didn't,
why not? Thank God you guys weren't near it, right?
Good, yeah, good thing that didn't hit us in the head and like just go right through your
Oh my
head.
goodness.
It went
Wow.
right through the ground.
But look, it's still
And look at
intact.
it.
We can reassemble it.
Oh,
All right.
wow.
So,
Guys, that was so funny. And that went really high,
all right, so
guys.
who thinks this one's gonna go farther?
I think so.
It's heavier.
Yeah.
So,
So, no.
you think it's gonna go less high?
More.
More high. All right, let's try
Because
that.
it has more. Dad, you said we would mess up, and we did. Because
I knew
You
something
guys
would go
are the
wrong.
best for
just
liking
glad it
and
didn't hit us in the
subscribing
head.
to our channel.
that was so high, guys. Literally. I'm
All right,
not
guys.
joking.
All right, guys, stand
set
back.
up.
Stand back.
Stand
give likes to this.
Look,
So
everyone
it
on the
will do
basketball
good.
court left, they're scared of getting hit by a rocket.
Give love.
Gone.
Give love.
Here we go,
Give
guys.
1 like equals 1 life to this Amazon rocket.
All right.
Take
Ready?
cover.
Peter, give me a countdown.
3, 2, 1, 1.
Careful.
We have a misfire. Oh, one of the wires fell off.
All right. Take 2.
Okay, guys, what's up again?
Take 2.
Continuing. Take 3. Take 2. Take 3. Take 2.
Take 2 for the
Oh
black
yeah,
one.
take 2. Take 2. Take 2. Give more likes to this, so it'll actually fly.
Yes.
1 like equals 1 fly for Mr. Rocket. Mr. Rocket.
Peter, give me a countdown again.
3, 2, 1.
Watch out, guys. Get out of the way. Get out of the way.
Oh, finally!
Hey, parachute. Uh-oh, the wind's picking up.
Can't see it on my video. Wow.
It landed safely.
All the way over there. Thank God there was no children.
Rest in peace. Comment down below if that went higher than Lucas's thing. I'm pretty sure it went higher, guys.
Still alive.
Nice.
At least the parachute came out.
The parachute worked.
Did you see how much it picked up? Wow.
How much what picked up?
The wind.
Yeah.
The Amazon is officially the winner.
Yeah.
It runs on likes and subscribes. It runs on likes and subscribes. So the more the likes and the subscribes, the more it'll shoot high.
Guys, look at the launch pad.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, that is.
It's on fire.
Look at this.
Wow.
All right, that was awesome, guys. Success in the end. A couple
Failures.
missteps, but we got it. We got it
Can you
figured
do the
out.
white one again?
5. Not today.
Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Peace
You're
out.
the best.